following the price. And this is where I believe Day Trade to Win and what I teach is completely different from what's out there. Now, the new website should be up and running according to the webmaster, and I copied this page because I was not sure if I was going to have it up or not prior to the webinar. So there is a turnkey operation for traders, okay? Oh, good, Katie. Thank you. I haven't even gone there now because I'm in the webinar to see if everything copied over. Thank you, Katie, for letting me know there. So I copied this briefly from the webinar, from the test we had, and I wanted to show you that there is a new turnkey development that I'm doing with certain traders that lasts 6 weeks and actually teaches them all these methods in one complete turnkey operation. All right, and this, I believe, is a huge improvement over just following somebody in a chat room. You actually get to learn something, and this is very important if you want to do trading as a career, or if you want to be profitable. You should know everything that there is to know about trading. And this is what 6 weeks of one-on-one with me, and you can read it all there when you get a chance. Okay, so filtering trades. How do we filter trades? All right, everybody wants, I have lots of videos, lots and lots of videos on trades and filtering, and you guys go on YouTube and they're all over the place. There's a set of videos that actually I did that has been very, very popular, and they're filtering videos. And the filtering videos I created free of charge for everyone. I want to be able to show you guys as traders what's important when trading, and filtering trades is very, very important. And the webinars that I do for clients that are client-only webinars, it's all created really to give you guys as much insight as possible to trading. So how do we filter trades? Well, if you have an exact place that you want to enter or exit the market. So let's say you want to enter and exit the market. And I'm going to bring my chart up here to show you. Okay. This is actually the gold chart. Okay. This is today using the Atlas line. Okay. Let me just go here and turn on. Okay. Very good. Okay. So we have here the short setup that starts plotting. So we're wanting to get short here at 1184.40. It's an exact number. And then we have a double bar short here, 1180.30. This is all using the Atlas line, okay? The Atlas line is right here, guys, okay? Remember what I told you about the Atlas line? As soon as price crosses the Atlas line, you take it short. It's exactly what happened in gold today, okay? This is today. Now, what do we do with filtering trades? Well, filtering trades is simply a process of, I'm just going to open this up a little bit, okay? You guys can see, okay? Filtering trades is a method of trading which really is, I call it insurance, okay? It's an insurance to help you stay without getting those false breakouts that occur where as soon as you take a trade, it goes against you. Okay, so when I say filtering trades, in a sense, it's a little bit of insurance. And what I'm looking for when I filter a trade, okay, so price crossed the Atlas line. Okay, see that? Okay. This is the double bar short setup that it gave on the Atlas line. See that, guys? Now, as soon as we have this here, double bar short, 1180.30, okay? Instead of entering short right here, why not allow price to prove to us that it wants to go actually short? Why not prove to us that it wants to go short, okay? Yes, Don. We're not concerned, Don, with the angle of the line, Don. See the angle here? the angle is up. Nothing to do with the angle of the line, Don. What it has to do is, remember, we're following price. Remember, we're price traders. Okay? So when Don has a good question, he says the angle is up, so why do we go short? Because price crossed it. That's why, Don. Okay, so we want to stay long or short based on price crossing above or below the Alice line. Price came from above the Alice line and crossed below it. Those orders all started kicking in. All right, Don. Very good, very good. I have a little bit of background noise here. Unfortunately, I hope it doesn't. It's not too loud. But in essence, filtering a trade, you can see here that price went down. Okay, and let's say that you want to take it short as soon as price comes down, right? I mean, that makes sense. Price crossed the Atlas line, and in essence, it tells you go short. So how do we filter trades? What is filtering all about? Let us wait and let us have price prove to us as an insurance that actually price wants to go in that manner. The price wants to go down, right? So what does that mean? That means that instead of entering short right away, right over here, okay, we're going to wait until price proves to us that it wants to go by giving us an additional close to the downside, right? Now, I work on, and everything that I teach is on closings. I want to see price close, not necessarily the wicks, okay? And I go in detail when I teach traders one-on-one on this, but I do not want to see not just a wick down, but I need to see a close, okay? So when I filter a trade, I need to have an actual close below our entry, okay? In order for price not to just turn around and give us a long trade to the upside, or in essence, fake us out, or false breakouts. So what we do is, before we enter a trade, we want to say, okay, price confirmed below the Atlas line, as an example. Give me 1 second, guys. All right, so I want to wait for price to actually go and close below it, as it does here, in order for me to initiate a short trade. And in essence, it's insurance to say it actually does want to go down. I'm allowing price to prove it to me. Now, let's take a look at profits. Sam, I find setting target is more difficult. You want to take profit too early, or you want to use a trailing stop. All right, guys, give me 1 second, okay? I have the power washers here outside, and they are very, very loud. Decided to do a power washing while I'm doing a webinar. So